Hello, mon ami, comment vous allez? Welcome to this new video where I'm going to make the difference between I like and I'd like. Difference in how to use quite well I like and I'd like. Comment vous capable d'utiliser deux thèmes ça yo? I like and I'd like. Restez branché, chita là, et puis tandem avec un pile attention, préparez question, posez question yo, dites que vidéo ça utile aussi, que li utile ou, et partagez-la avec zami ou yo. M'a vini pour me présenter ça. You go allez, non? I'd like and I like. Welcome back to show you the difference between I like and I'd like. Bienvenue encore sur channel là, côté n'a parlé aux différences qui existent entre I like and how to use I like and I'd like. Yes, this is interesting. Ça c'est vraiment intéressant. And how to use I like. I like means moi aimé. I like. I plus like. I is the subject and like is the verb when talking about like I share my love to you. Ça que vous désirez, what you desire. Moi partager l'amour pam na avec and share your love to me. Moi ouvre bras and I am receiving yours. Good job. Yes, I like signifie moi aimé. I like. Peut-être on l'autre fois on a fait une vidéo for I like and I love difference between both verbs. Mais aujourd'hui on a parlé de différence entre I like and I'd like. I like as using for general preference when you're talking about generally all you like and what you like. I mean, as a habit, you get a bit, you love this and you love that. When you're talking about them, generally you can say I like. Si on parle de ça que on aime généralement, ou bien d'ordinaire, bagay de nature, ou bien de nature, moi aime tel bagay, moi aime tel bagay. So you can use I like. Si on aime un bagay de nature, par exemple, gen moun kap di moi aime, gen moun kap di vive militant, diri blanc sauce pois. C'est ça que on aime de nature. Okay? But they say I like. Okay? I like. Gen moun se berijen eggplant. Gen moun son lot bagay. Gen moun ki reme voyager. Yes, when you're talking about something that you prefer, you can use I like. Lò pale généralement de ça que reme, you use I like. For example, I like to swim. What do you like? If I say, what do you like? Or what do you like to do? Both questions. I like to swim. What do you like? Ki sa ki ou reme? What do you like to do? Ki sa ou reme fe? I like teaching. I like teaching. Okay. I like to swim. When you're talking about like, I like to swim. So moun di I like to swim. A di moun sa reme nage. Le reme nage. Depi gen dlo lap nage. I like to swim. I like to swim. Se sa moun sa lap di ke le reme. And then I like listening to music. I like listening to music. What do you see? Ki sa ou remarque? You see I put ing here and then here I put to as infinitive. Ou I could mette to là pour infinitif et là moi mette ing. Why? It's because for like you can use either G1 or infinitive. Ça veut dire en bon créole, là parler ou utiliser like, ou capable mettre ing dans verbe qui vient après là, ou du moins vous capable mettre to pour jouer pour faire infinitif. Let me show you. I like to swim. Là moi mettez après le verbe to like, moi mettez le verbe to swim à l'infinitif. And I like listening to music. Là moi mettez le verbe to listen au gérondif. Ça veut dire moi mettez ing là-dedans. I like listening to music, but me, I'm a fan of music. I love music. Whatever genre of music it is, I love music. I love music. And the second example, I like apple. I know you might like apple. You like apple? Do you like apple? Do you like apple? Me, I eat apple. What do you like? I forget what I like. I like apple. You can say, do you like apple? Does she like apple? Est-ce que madame ça aime pomme? Yes, I like apple. Moi aime pomme. I like apple. Or I can say, I like traveling. I like traveling. Moun sa di aime pomme, moun sa di aime voyager. I like traveling, but me, I like teaching. Moi aime enseigner. I like teaching. I like teaching. Moi aime enseigner. I like speaking English. Moi aime parler anglais. Do you like speaking English? Yes, I do. Or yes, I like speaking English. Oui, moi aime parler anglais. Does she like speaking English? Yes, she does. She likes speaking English. We are done with the first part of the video. Are you clear? Tell me, ou clair? Hey, Jocelyne, ou clair? M'pense au clair là? M'pense au clair? Ben au clair? Coup de coq. Moi utiliser I like when I parler de bagaille que moi d'ordinairement moi aime. Oui, généralement que moi aime. Et là m'a utiliser I like, moi supposé mettre soit ing dans verbe qui venir ou bien to devant l'autre verbe qui venir. I like to swim. Is it clear? Yes, it's clear. Secondly, it's I'd like. I'd like. I'd like as when you are talking about something specific you want at the moment or now, when I'm talking now or in the future. What I say? Qu'est-ce que Haïtien dit là? Haïtien dit que moi utiliser I'd like, là m'a parlé d'un bagage bien spécifique que soit moins besoin kounya là, moins vle kounya là ou bien m'a pral besoin m'bral vle fait tout à l'heure. So you use I'd like for that. Ça signifie moins ta aimé ou bien moins vle. Moins ta aimé parler anglais. Somebody va parler kounya là ou dit ta aimé parler anglais jodi là. I'd like to speak English today. I'd like to speak English. Somebody bien spécifique. Okay, so let me give you an example. I'd like to go to the party. Moun sa li vle aller dans fête là. Li vle aller dans fête là pas qu'on fait. No. Ça c'est on bagay qu'il vle qui li vle réaliser. On bagay qui pral fait, li vle réaliser. I'd like to go to the party. What do you see here? Do not forget to use infinitive when you're talking about I'd like. Lors parler de I'd like, ou pas gen l'autre choix qui utilise infinitif dans deuxième verbe qui venir. I'd like to swim. M'ta aimé nager. Moun yon arrêter là dire oh, I'd like to swim in the river. M'ta aimé nager dans rivière. Ça son bagay kounya là, vle faire ça. Li wè rivière là, il veut dire I'd like to swim in the river. M'ta aimé or I'd like to swim in the sea. M'ta aimé nager dans la mer. Et puis il retire radio li là, et puis il mette swimming suit li là, et puis bouf. Et puis il tombe nager. Like I know how to swim me. One. M'baka kote gen de l'eau, m'baka en Haïti, m'baka nager. I like swimming. So I say I like swimming. Ouais, j'aime dire I like swimming. Moi aime nager, son bagage général. But I'd like to do something. Moi tant aime faire ça, tant aime faire this, tant aime faire ça. Utiliser infinitif après I'd like. And what is I'd like? What it means exactly? What it is exactly? Because when I say I'd like, it's a contracted form. We have or the contraction here. It's the contracted form. I'd like as I would like. I would like. Do not pronounce this. I remember when I was at school, je l'aime de l'école, quand vous savez, anglais, t'es kon calon l'autre élève peut-être la prononcer elle là. Je dis, mais quoi c'est langue dans bouche ça vient dire I would. Say I would. Do not say I would, say I would. Pas prononcer elle là. I would like means I want. If you say I'd like, you say I would like. for the normal form or the correct form or the full form, you say I would like. But for the contracted form, you say I'd like. I'd like means I want. And if I say she'd like to go to the party, when I say I'd like, il y a un pense c'est avec I là seulement expression ça ka marcher. No. C'est pas avec I'd like seulement. On ka dit you'd like, on ka dit she'd like, etc. On ka utiliser n'importe quoi like this. You can say she'd like to go. She'd like to go there. Littéralement aller là. For example, if you're talking about Labadi, ou va parler de Labadi, ou va parler de etc. Ou bien petite rivière de la Tibonite, my home. Ou bien va dire she'd like. Ou bien va dire we'd like also. We'd like. You can say we'd like. We'd like. Because we have she. You can say you'd like. You'd like. You'd like to go there. Yes. You'd like to go there. Son façon pour dire, would you like to go there? Okay, would you like to go there? You'd like to go there. Ou ta aimé aller là. C'est en forme. That means you can use whatever pronoun you want before this expression. Would like. Would like is the contracted form like. You'd like, we'd like, I'd like, etc. And we'd like to visit China someday. We'd like to visit China someday. Me personally, I'd like to visit China. China, I'm coming. M'a vini, pas kon dire 2000 combien, but me, I'd like to visit China one day or someday. I'd like to visit China. So you use I'd like to talk about something you need now. Like I'd like to go to the prom. I'd like to go to the prom tonight. When I say the word prom. I'd like to go to the prom tonight. Son bagay ke m besoin à l'instant ou bien tout à l'heure. So you use I'd like. Or if you don't want to say I'd like, I want to go to the prom. I'd like to go or I want to go to the prom. I want to go with you. I'd like to go with you. So next context about would like. There are two other ways that you can use the expression would like when you also talking about othering something. When you want to other something, you can use the expression would like. Okay? When you're othering something, commande on my guy like in a restaurant or somewhere else, you need something, you can use would like or I'd like. Ou capable utiliser I'd like lorsque ou fait commande. Ou dit ça que vous voulez, ça besoin. So, for example, I'd like a sandwich and 2 bottles of water. Like you can be in a restaurant or inside of a restaurant, you call the waitress or you call the waiter and you say I'd like a sandwich and 2 bottles of water. Or if the waiter comes to you and say, what would you like to eat? Or what would you like to have, sir? Or ma'am, you can say, I'd like a sandwich and 2 bottles of water. It depends on you, not only saying sandwich or bottle of water. If you might need 2 bottles of beer, you need something else, you need natural juice. Depends on you. And secondly, you can say they'd like to buy 2 tickets to go. When I say to go here, that means buy these tickets and go. Ça veut dire, les gens disent they'd like to buy 2 tickets to go. Ça veut dire, ils ont juste besoin d'acheter ticket yo, et puis pour y aller. Ils ont juste besoin d'acheter ticket yo pour y aller. So you say they'd like to buy 2 tickets to go. Or I'd like to buy 1 ticket to go. I'd like to buy a pizza to go. Je voulais acheter une pizza pour m'aller. Okay, pizza. And or second way or third way to use I'd like or I would like, you use it to formally offer someone something or offer something to someone or offer something to somebody. Like you have someone or someone comes to you or in your home place and you ask this question. You might ask this question: would you like something to eat or would you like something to drink? Someone vient la caille ou capable d'utiliser l'expression I'd like pour parler formellement, d'une manière formelle de un bagay, par exemple, pour faire un off. Soit faire un off formellement ou capable d'utiliser l'expression I'd like pour faire mon off, pour offrir l'on bagay. Like, si gon moun qui vient la caille ou là, et puis, ou dit moun nan, would you like something to eat? Or would you like something to drink? Would you like something to eat? Or would you like something to drink? So, ou capable d'utiliser l'expression ça. Or you can say, would you like to call your family now? So again, if you have a guest, so gon invite qui vient la caille ou et puis ou dit ou ta aimer les femmes ou pas ta aimer les femmes ou konya, ou vle les femmes ou konya. So you can say, would you like to call your family now? Do not forget to use to after like and when you have another verb or a second verb. The same here, something to eat. Good, same thing. So here is American way. Now I'm talking about American way. American way, when they are speaking, they do not use either would like or do. Formally, they have to say, do you want a cup of coffee? Do you want a cup of coffee? Est-ce que vous aimez boire ou bien est-ce que vous voulez yon verre café ou bien un goût de café, disons, si nous disons bien une tasse café, vraiment. Est-ce que vous voulez une tasse café? Au lieu pour Américains dire, would you like a cup of coffee? Or would you like to drink a cup of coffee? Américain va dire ça. Il dit, you want a cup of coffee? But do not forget the tone. Pas oublier ton. Pas oublier ça. So, you want a cup of coffee? Est-ce que vous besoin une tasse café pour boire? Or, formally, l'État supposé dire, do you want a cup of coffee? For grammatically correct way, grammaticalement ou d'une manière correcte, pour dire, do you want a cup of coffee? Est-ce que vous voulez une tasse café? But they do not say that. They say, you want a cup of coffee? Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it and comment below to say how you like the video. And I will always share my love to you. I love you so much. Do not forget to share your love to me. Love you and bye bye for a next video.